Hey everyone, Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate your header on Wix Studio. So first up, go to Google and type Wix Studio. You'll see this website of Wix Studio. Click on this website. After clicking, you'll see this interface and you'll see the option of start creating. So just click on it. After coming on this main interface, you can select from these templates or you can create your own template. But if you want more designs, click on Explore All Templates. After clicking, you can see multiple templates, so you can select one as per your wish. So for example, I'm going to select the shoe store. Click on Edit and it will open the site on Wix Studio. After coming onto this site, we have to animate the header. So click on Header and then on the right side, you'll see this arrow. Open it and it will show the animation effects. So if you just want to animate the header, you can directly animate the header from here. If you want to animate more, you can click here, double click here, and then you can see multiple options. So here you can see there are multiple animations and effects like entrance, hover, click, scroll, loop, and mouse effects. Now what will entrance do? Elements will animate when they enter into a view. That means on the entrance, the elements will animate. On hover, while hovering on an element, it will trigger the animation. Click. On clicking an element, it will trigger an animation. On scroll, while scrolling, it will trigger an animation. And similarly, in loop, the animations will play in a loop, and then in mouse effects, moving the mouse will trigger the animation. So, for example, I want to animate the entrance. So, I'll just click on Add, and here I have multiple options. So, here you can see there are multiple animation effects. For example, I want to choose fade, so it will get faded. I want to choose glide, so it will glide like this. And if I want to just choose reveal, it will reveal like this. For example, I'm choosing glide for now. Then I'll just click on adjust animation. So I can adjust the animations from here as per my wish. If you're selected, then just click back and it will just add the animation here. Similarly, if you want to add more animations on the header part or any part of the website, you can add it. Or if you want to just select multiple animations like scroll, hover, and click at the same time, you can even do that. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.